Hello, Eagle Creek. Today we're going to talk about something you've probably come across this season already out in the golf course if you've missed some fairways, is in our peripherals on some of the holes we have some tire ruts that were caused by the equipment that we use for cleaning up Hurricane Irma. Something we're probably going to be dealing with most of the season, so we want to make sure everybody's playing it the same way. Again, this is going to be when you're outside of a lateral hazard. So if you hit it in a red staked area and lands in a tire rut, you are not entitled to free relief. Only when you're outside of that lateral hazard, which is where we're at now, left of 15, my golf ball is landed in one of these ruts. So I'm going to find my nearest point of relief outside those tire ruts, which is going to be right about here. We're going to mark that spot. Go ahead and take our driver, club length, and mark that with a T. We're going to go ahead and pick up our golf ball and drop somewhere in between these two T's, no closer to the hole. So that ball is now in play. Again, this is only when you're outside of that red staked area or lateral hazards. Hopefully this is a tip you don't have to use much this season. Keep it in the fairway. We'll see you next time.